Dr. Sheila Sapp of Sheila E. Cares Educational Consulting and Services, LLC. Thank you for joining me today as I share a quick tip instructional activity for long and short vowels. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, and I am so glad you decided to join me today. I am a retired educator with many years of experience as a teacher, reading specialist, elementary principal, and curriculum director. Also, I have authored several resource handbooks for parents, teachers, and school leaders. Welcome, and I hope you subscribe to my channel and share this video. Pictured here are 4 of my 5 resource handbooks. My most recent handbook is Raising Readers at Home. All of the books are available on Amazon and Rowman and Littlefield. Let's get started. I call this activity my hands-on long and short vowels review. It's fun, easy to make and do at home or in a classroom. Here's a list of the materials needed to make the hands. And as you can see, the materials needed are low cost. All of the materials are easy to find and readily available. The directions and instructions are very simple. I know how busy parents and teachers are. A grandparent or an older sibling can help by making the hands and or doing the vowel activity. I always make a point to create or design activities and games that will provide the practice but not take a lot of time to implement. Here are a few recommendations or suggestions to extend and enhance the activity. I am sure you'll think of some other ways to add variety to this activity. Make a point to involve movement so your child isn't always sitting. These hands can be used for other skills too. I would love to conduct a workshop via Zoom. 5 or 6 friends can get together and split the cost of a session. If I demonstrate 5 or 6 different games and 5 or 6 people are participating, each person makes 5 or 6 copies of each game. At the end of the session, everyone will go home with 5 or 6 ready-made activities. If you have any additional questions or are interested in scheduling a Zoom workshop with me, I have listed my contact information below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any upcoming tips and other instructional activities. And don't forget, Sheila E. Cares.